A simple and natural cure for snoring. Not many know about it. Snoring can be a real problem in the bedroom, and mainly affects what you hear it snores. If your partner snores, you are well aware of the effects of snoring as it disturbs your sleep and leads to several other consequences. Snoring occurs at night and caused more by misshapen or congested noseways, but it can also be a result of obesity or alcohol consumption. Excessive amounts of phlegm in the throat and nose can also cause snoring as well. However, we will reveal the recipe for an incredibly effective natural remedy, whose regular use will help you stop snoring. This is how to prepare the natural juice that helps you to solve this problem. Ingredients: 1 ginger root, 2 carrots, 3 2 apples, 4 1/4 lemon. Instructions: you should mix all ingredients in a blender and mix well. Then, a few hours before going to bed, you should drink this juice. Repeat daily. This juice is rich in vitamin C, which cleanses the nasal passages and nasal passages. On the other hand, ginger relieves pressure on the roads of the nose, while apples and carrots clear the entire area of the nose. Snoring is not a serious health problem and can be treated and solved through careful diet, natural remedies and correct breathing. However, if it becomes a problem that seriously affects your daily life and you cannot treat it naturally, you should seek medical help.
I ask you 3 favors. 1. Share with your friends and family. 2. Subscribe. 3. Give it a like.